Good afternoon and welcome to Steele Hill Drink of the Month for June. Gearing up for the warm weather, we're going to make you a nice fresh lemonade. So we're going to put 3 pieces of lemon and a piece of lime, a little bit of Elderflower Liqueur, about ½ an ounce in there, and we're going to muddle that all together. Once the muddling is done, pack it full of ice, and we're going to add some Tito's vodka, about 1 3/4 ounces of that, and then we're going to give it a shake. Alright, we're going to grab a pint glass, fill that full of fresh ice. Grab a strainer, and we're going to strain that over fresh ice, and then top with soda water. And there is our Steele Hill Lemonade for June.